is de Roesjpopshow. Dit is de Roesjpopshow.
Oh, I've been confused, I've been uncertain. I've talked to myself, wondered if I'm wordless. Got ahead of the storm, but the force seemed relentless. So I'd find myself on the same road to hell. The wind in my hair in the dead of the night. Nowhere to go, nowhere to find. Shadows of doubt, not scared if they'll take me. And though in the open, and though I'm brilliantly broken, oh, I've been confused, I've seen the darkness. I've broke my own heart by a battle in silence. Got ahead of the storm as the current kept flowing, and you know it. So I'd find myself on the river to hell. The wind in my hair in the dead of the night. Nowhere to go, nowhere to find. Shadows of doubt, not scared if they'll take me. The howl at the moon in the light of the stars, breaking the silence, unbreaking my heart. Resisting the doubt, I won't let it take me. And though I am here in the open, and though I'm brilliantly broken, and though I won't let it unspoken, and though I'm brilliantly unbroken.